Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. I want to cover a bit more about task view in Windows 10. I covered basic things in my first video. There are more features which help you to manage your work in task view, having multiple work environments, multiple desktops. So this will cover how to have this window appearing, one of the windows appearing in all desktops and updating at the same time. So I have three desktops open, and if I move my mouse between them, I can see what are the programs which are running in those desktops. So this desktop 1 having 6 programs running, and 2 having 1 program running, 3 desktop 3 having none running. So this what you see over here is the history, what I've been working on. So this is common to all of the desktops. If I go to desktop 2, the same, and if I go to desktop 1, it's the same. So always I can go back and open one of these programs and continue my work which I've been working on. And as soon as I click that, it will open the whatever the program which I was looking at or working on. So the basic other features, the main features which I found here is, per se, if you have on desktop 1 you have one of Excel sheets which you've been working on, and you think you need this Excel sheet to appear in all 3 desktops, what you do is you go to task view and right click on the program which you need to be appearing on other desktops. So you need to click this option, show this window on all desktops. As soon as you click that, you can see it will appear in all 3 desktops. So desktop 2, I open desktop 2. If I change something here and if I move between desktops, it will be the same. It will change in all 3 desktops. So I am swapping between desktops using the shortcut key. So if you think you need this Excel sheet in desktop 2, only on desktop 2, you can do is you need to select the desktop 2, right click on the program and untick this. So it will disappear from desktop 1 and desktop 3. It will appear only in desktop 2. And later on, if you think you don't want it to be in desktop 2 and you need it on desktop 1, you can right click, move to, and you can select the desktop 1, or if you think you want it in a brand new desktop, can select this option. So I'm selecting desktop 1, and as soon as I click that, it will appear in the desktop 1. And the next feature which I want to show you is if you have multiple windows open in the same program. So here I have 2 notepads open, notepad 1 and notepad 2. If I want both of them to appear in all the desktops, so what I do is I right click on one of these notepads and select this option, show windows from this app on all desktops, and as soon as I click that, it will appear in all 3 desktops. And the same as earlier, you can right click and untick this option, and it will only appear in the desktop which you untick the option on. So if I select that again, if I right click and you think this notepad 1, I don't want that to be appearing in other desktops, you can select the first option, untick this, show this window on all desktops. What it does is it will only remove that notepad 1 from other desktops, and it will only appear in desktop 3. You can always go back and tick this, and again it will appear in desktop all the desktops. There's 2 more features which I think I need to show you. The next one is pretty much basic, I think. So if I have one of the documents which I think I want to work side by side with another document, what you need to do is you can right click on that and make it snap to left or right. So I'm clicking left, and this document will appear on left, and as soon as I click on another program, it will appear on the right. I can compare between documents. Maybe that's the main purpose of that feature. So those are the basic things which I found much easier for you guys to have multiple desktops and manage your work. and hope this helped for you guys. If you have any questions, always put in my comment section. I'll reply to you guys, and thank you for watching. Have a great day and bye.